Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna hit up Kroger. So we're actually not at Kroger, we're at a Kroger affiliated store called Ralph's, and we're gonna go and get a bunch of deals hopefully. Alright, so let's get the deal started. So you're gonna pick up two of these are priced 10 for 10, so $1 each. I got the Cinderella Soda, so it's like apple soda. Make sure to get two of these and let me know if you guys like this format better of me just shopping around. So you're gonna buy two, $1 each is $2. You're gonna get back $1 in Ibotta, and you're gonna get $1 back on the Ralph's cash back, making this completely free. And then we're gonna go to the next item, which is another soda. It's a Sangria Soda. You're gonna buy two of these. These are not the glass ones, they're the plastic ones. They're priced at $1 each, so they're part of that 10 for 10, and you're gonna buy two of them, which makes it $2. You're gonna get back $1 back on Ibotta and $1 back on the Ralph's cash back. This makes it completely free. Okay, so next up we have the Cinderella. We have the glass bottles this time. They are priced at 79 cents each. So you're gonna buy three of them to do this deal. And honestly, there's a ton of cheap free soda. Alright, so the soda is priced at 79 cents each. You're gonna buy three, making it $2.34. You're gonna get $1 back on Ibotta, $1 back on Ralph's cashback, making the total 34 cents. Alright, so next up we're gonna get two of these Chobani Probiotics. I got the pineapple one and the hibiscus one. We'll see if these are really good. So you're gonna buy two of them. They're priced at $3.59, which makes the total $7.18. You're gonna get back 50 cents back on Ibotta for each one. So you're gonna get back $1. Then you're gonna use a Ralph's coupon, which you just download in their app. It's $1.50 off, and then you're gonna get back $3.79 on Ralph's cashback for buying two, making the total only 89 cents for both of these. Next, we're gonna pick up these Airheads. So these are the Airheads soft filled bites. They're two for $3, making it $1.50 each. You're gonna get back 75 cents back on Ibotta and 75 cents Ralph's cash back, so your total is completely free. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can see next week's deal.